Hello everyone friends. On the Today channel I will show you how to clean delete system information for free on iPhone. Unfortunately here it is done in one way. This is go to settings, go to the search, right here iCloud, backup. And accordingly you turn on iCloud backup and replenish yes if you do not have enough space and accordingly for backup. After that you will need to reset your iPhone accordingly. We do this through general. Here, but first you must make a backup. I repeat myself. Here, after which reset the iPhone. That's right, yes, that is. Completely delete everything, reset it, and then going to the backup accordingly, upload the backup to the cleaned device, because there is no other method, unfortunately, to clear this, respectively, well, cache, so to speak. I was with you, everyone, bye.